up, though?
Hey, y'all. How you doing?
We back. My bad. Like we never left. Baby. Tell them what we doing today.
We are doing Zaxby's. They have a new chicken Philly. You can either get it grilled or fried. And it comes with a garlic aioli, peppers, onions, and cheese.
And it is
$7.59.
Just for the sandwich by itself.
For the sandwich itself. So that is the sandwich. We also got
what else you got, babe?
some bacon tater bites. So basically tater tots.
They ranch.
And this was $4.99.
$5 for that?
Yep. And then we got a funnel cake. This is $3.99. And
Zaxby's
it's not very big.
Zaxby's ought to be ashamed of themselves, huh?
And that comes with the caramel sauce.
Okay, so we're gonna try.
And then we found these tropical 7-Ups. I don't know if y'all have had them or not. We haven't, so we wanted to try that.
What's with them? Comment down below. I like them. Confession, I ate one in the car. It was good.
She likes Burger King's cheesy tots, so she felt like she'd like that. I like that. Damn, the thing's shot.
You got 2 of them, I would eat one.
Well, I didn't know how thirsty you were. You always say I drink everything.
I don't know how thirsty you were.
I was very thirsty.
I'm hungry. Never thirsty. Write that down.
Want to try it?
Sure.
It says tropical. I don't know. I'll let you taste it, and then I'll tell you what I think I'm tasting.
10 out of 10. Let's try it.
And we did get the grilled chicken.
Excuse me, I taste peach, mango. I don't take no 7-Up in that thing. That's fire. It'd be even better if it was.
See, I thought I was tasting peach too, but peach ain't tropical.
I mean, in some cases. Let's try to feel it. Give the people what they waiting on. They want to know if this fire in the booth. Trash can water. My wife first. Go ahead.
You want to do Lady and the Tramp style?
Nah. We're going to be all over the place.
Okay.
You might break me off for you. Oh, she ate it. Oh, look how she ate that. Let's see what we got going on. Oh. Ooh.
I think anything they put peppers, onions, and cheese on, they call it a Philly. In my opinion. It's a good grilled chicken sandwich.
Okay, Zaxby now.
Oh, wish you would put more garlic aioli. I don't taste that at all.
Yeah.
Do you taste it?
It ain't enough.
You don't taste none of the garlic aioli. It tastes like grilled chicken, peppers, and onions.
Now, can you just make it yourself and save a couple dollars? Probably. But this is for convenience. You know what I'm saying? I buy it again. I get the fried kind though. Just see how good it'll be. Well, that's good.
No, it's
That's
good.
really eating. 10 out of 10. I will try it again.
I don't know, $5. I know you do get these tots again, but I think $5 for some tater tots is ridiculous.
I don't think I'd do it because of the price. They banging. But they ain't that good to pay no $5 for them. I just try to make my own.
Y'all have a Zaxby's in y'all's town? I was always told Zaxby's is like our Cane's. I don't know. I've never had Cane's yet.
Speaking of Cane's, My birthday coming up. We're gonna have that cash out in the description box below. I feel like being generous. Give me $1. I'm straight with it. Let's do it. $1. Come on. We know everybody ain't got it. I ain't got it. I know. But if you feel like being generous, I ain't mad at this. Remember. And yes, I'm going to ask every video up until my birthday. And I'm going to say, my birthday's coming. Wait till the day before my birthday tomorrow. Watch. Mm-hmm. I desire goes down.
She used to have a birth month, not a birthday.
Not our birth weekend.
But we are going out of town this weekend. Not this weekend. The weekend of her birthday. So their caramel sauce, it says naturally fresh branded caramel dip.
I tasted the aioli that time. That's fire.
Might be on part of
At the bottom.
soda. You try the thing without the dip.
Yeah, we gotta get it out the dip first. I don't know what to do.
It's really.
We probably should have ate this in the car.
A good phone cake.
Well, the lights out. And the popcorn stands. And the hot stand. I done went to the fair.
It does give funnel cake. I just think it's a little small. Okay, funnel cake's not expensive to make. But in charge of arm your leg at the fair too, so I guess it's $4 pretty much.
That's probably caramel. That's
For funnel cake the size of your hand.
That should have drizzled it on there.
The palm of your hand. Not the fingers.
That should have drizzled it.
Not everyone wants the caramel. That's good tasting caramel though. Well, that's a good caramel.
This by itself was good. But this fire and boom.
Yeah, that's a good caramel. To me, it makes me want to get an apple.
It's like a candy apple.
It makes me want to get an apple. For caramel apple.
Woo! That's fire. Y'all go get y'all chicken Philly. Try to fry one and let me know. If
you like peachy, mango-y type of drinks, you'll like the tropical. Because peach and mango is what I think it is.
Go get your funnel cake, get 2 of them if y'all got the money. If you don't, get 1. That's fine too.
$4 a piece.
It's fire. Just give it a try. I know their prices be out of hand, but you know, the economy out of hand at this point. You know what I'm saying? Hey.
I'm presuming our last video, that was like $30 for one meal. So this was $18 for these 3 items. It'd be cheaper to do homemade foods, but we know you all like to see what's new out there in the world.
Oh, we coming back. For homemade food, we coming right back. Don't y'all worry about it. I'm trying to go out of town too. I can't be spending all this money every time to turn around.
But if you follow us on Facebook, you will see some of the home eats that we be eating.
It's gonna be on this channel soon. Okay? We hope y'all enjoyed this review. Don't forget to thumbs up this review. Comment down below if you tried the sandwich or are you going to try the sandwich because we said it was fire in the booth. Comment down below. Share us out. Tell 1, 2, 3, 10 people what we're doing over here. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit that post notification bell so you will know every time we upload the greatest hit. Always remember, every day you wake up
is another day for greatness.
So until the next video /
review.
See you on the flip side.